I didn't realize I wasn't recording this whole time. I did some fucking exposition and everything. So no cold start, because obviously I wasn't recording. I'm on my built 107. I gotta break it in. Can't go over 55 mile an hour or $3,000 for 25 miles now, because I already did a little bit. Got a very RPM, so I'm hanging her right and I'm pissing off traffic. I don't care. They can fucking blow me. I'll give you some specs while I do this in a minute. So I gotta wait for fucking traffic. Holy shit. So yeah, and then after the 50 I can use 6th gear, but I can't hold speed like religiously. Adjust my fucking mirrors, and I gotta go speed limit. God damn it! Well, under the speed limit right now, so that says 25 miles, and then I can. They said I could do 65 or so afterwards. She ain't a happy camper though, because she's mean. This is a very mean motorcycle now. They said I should be making over 120 at the wheel with this build. And they said I could do over 3 to shift. I don't really plan on doing that. It's got a Thunder Max EFI on it, so it's going to be a little bit of a pig at first. Man, it's so weird going the speed limit. If you see me any of my dyno videos, you know I don't do the speed limit ever. And I can't go into 6th gear until this has 25 on it. I mean, I like this bike a lot though, even before it was, this Thunder Max EFI is gonna fucking be wild to deal with though, because it's a smart tuner, so as you ride it, it tunes to the bike. So it's gonna backfire a lot, it's gonna have some weird shit happen. So I have to vary RPM this entire time, which is a very rough thing to do because I'm used to holding RPM, you know. So they said the very RPM can't go over 55. I think I've gone like 56 or so here and there, which I'm not a fan of. So the specs: it is a T-Man 107 top end with some headwork, T-Man dome pistons, run at a 10.5 compression ratio. She has a 625 cam. It's made it up to a Dark Horse flywheel. Dog, don't do it. Almost hit a fucking dog on the brand new goddamn bike, motherfucker. Anyway. It's got a, that's out of the flywheel, I think. So the Dark Horse flywheel is weighted and balanced to these pistons. It's got a 58mm throttle body, which is awesome, I think. Woohoo! T-Man zero loss air intake, Screaming Eagle clutch, Dark Horse compensator as well. And it's got a fueling oil pump, SMS push rods. Hold on, I'm trying to listen to it because there's new noises I have to get used to on this thing now. Man, I gotta like watch both of these like a fucking hawk for the next 25. Then I just gotta watch the RPM like a hawk after that. Which is fine, you know, it's part of the process. Pay to play, and then you gotta break it in, which is gonna suck. But it'll be worth it. Really hoping I'm doing this good. I hate to like spend the money I spent on this thing just to have it fuck up on me because I did the wrong kind of braking on it. But yeah, I'm going to Twin Lake. I'll catch y'all when I'm out there. I'm going to pause the video for a second. I'm on low battery. Thought I was recording this whole time. I just went an entire lap around Twin Lake. Fuck. I'm going back, don't worry. I got 10 more miles. Here, I'll show you the paper really quick, actually. Fuck it. So, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. So, first 50, no more than 55 varying RPM. 5500, no more than 3 can use 6. 500 oil change. 5750, no hole shots. They know me so well. I'm trying to do this whole 500 this weekend, if I'm being real. Okay. Hold on. Here, prime. Okay, sorry, prime. We're good. Click. Click. In. Neutral. $17.4. We got 8 more miles to go on this bad bitch. Go out this road, hang left past the effing, and once I'm past the effing, or once I fuck, right in the face, damn it, with the semi, son of a bitch. That's why I have my visor down all the time. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to hang left past the effing. I'm going to hang the next left at this little intersection doohickey bullshit. Hang a left in front of the overboard. I'm back, bitches. I'm sure they love me through here. I already did 1 lap. Just try and get these first 25 on, and then I'll be good to go do what I want. Okay, let's drop a gear. Oh, and we shot up in RPM crazy. And shift to gear. It's going to be a lot of shift up, shift down through here. Shift up. Shift down. Okay, and hold steady at 2 for a little bit. Right, 18.8 miles. We're so close, gentlemen. I don't think any ladies watch my videos. I'd be surprised if they did. I don't exactly girl boss, so. Okay. We're like right in that home stretch. 5 more miles, guys. And I'm still recording. Good. Battery almost dead though. For the one guy that wanted the Twin Lake area, here's your video. This bike sounds so mean too. I love it. I got a little shorty bagger pipe on this thing from Sawicki. I think I put the wrong signal on too, whatever. You know what's crazy? I'm running 16-inch 8-hangers, by the way. That's how fucking tall I am, for those of you that don't know. Now you know. These are 16s, shoulder level. I am a big guy. Granted, I'm also on a Saddleman step-up, so it probably helps with the height a little bit. I see this purrs away, man. You can tell that the fuel, fucking what the hell's it called? Oh my gosh, Thundermax, that's what it's called. You can tell the Thundermax is starting to get a little bit of a tune on her too, because she is kind of like starting to catch up a little bit with the not sputtering to the bullshit that it was doing earlier. Which definitely makes me believe it was normal, because I still did not call anybody. I refused to call anybody. And they said this clutch was going to be a lot heavier on the hand. I'm pleasantly surprised. It is not. Oh, we're at 20 miles, guys. 20 miles. Which means by the time I get home and get warmer clothes on, I'll be at 25. So I'm happy about that, because that means I can do 450 miles at the speed limit. And they said when I break in the last, like, so the 400 to 500, no, sorry, the 50 to 500, I can probably, fuck! The 50 to 500, I should probably stick around 55, 65 mile an hour. So I'll probably be doing 60 down some back roads and calling it a day. Because like I said, expensive motor. I'm not bragging. I had to take a fucking loan to get this damn thing out. It was a lot of money. I did not have that money. But you know what I did with this bike? When I went to Tennessee and back, I bent the flywheel. So it needed everything, and I figured, hey, fuck it. Green light, make that bitch haul ass. It'll haul ass when I'm done with it. Or when, yeah, as soon as I'm done with this shit. We're at 21 miles. 4 more to go, and then I can actually ride home. I lied, I'm crossing the road here. I lied again, I'm crossing the road because it's a slow speed. I can slow speed this shit. 22.5, we're getting there. I keep on catching like the reflection on the lights, and I'm like, man, why is my bike having issues? And it's not even my bike. 23 miles. Remember, it's supposed to be 50, but he put 25 on it already to get a little bit of a tune going, so it wasn't just dead. Oh man, my nose is running too. So my battery's almost dead. It's the only video I'm going to do with the break-in, because I don't want to have to try to figure out how to talk while I'm locked in on these two things right here separately on back roads. So if you want to see this bike when it's broken in properly and modified and actually out ripping, subscribe for more. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was going to try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm going to shout this guy out. He's going to have no fucking idea who the hell I am.